China has approved more than 10 kinds of COVID-19 antigen self-test kits recently. Self-test kits have already been rolled out in many countries since the pandemic, but they are still new to people in China. Just like me, I'm about to do my first self-test. I got mine from an online store, but people can also buy them from pharmacies or via delivery apps. They cost about 20 yuan or $3 US. Let's see what's in the box. I have 5 items: a swab stick, an extraction buffer tube, a test cartridge, a disposal bag, and a detailed instruction leaflet. Of course, before doing anything, I have to sanitize my hands. The first step is to collect the sample. It's a nasal test, so I need to insert the swab stick into one nostril, going up 1 to 1.5 centimeter, and twirl the stick 4 times in one nostril and 4 times for the other one. The second step is putting the stick into the extraction buffer tube and letting it stay for at least 30 seconds. I also need to stir the swab and squeeze the tube at least 5 times. Now the sample's ready. Next, I need to place 4 drops on the test cartridge and wait for 15 minutes for the result. Time's up. Let's see how to read it. If there's a line at both the C and the T position, that means the user is positive and needs to report to the community immediately. If the line appears only at the C position, this means the user is negative. And if a line appears only at the T position, the test is considered invalid. I've only got the line at the C position, so it means my result is negative. The disposal process needs to be taken carefully. We need to put everything in a sealed bag. Like this. For negative samples, just dispose them as general waste. For positive samples, the bag must be submitted to medics for disposal. The National Health Commission suggested that 3 types of people should use the self-test kits. The first one is people who develop symptoms within 5 days, and the second one is people in quarantine, such as close contacts of COVID-19 patients, overseas arrivals, and residents of areas under lockdown. And the third type is people who wish to take a test. The rollout of the self-test kits in China allows citizens to do COVID-19 tests easily at home. But be aware, the results of self-test kits cannot be used to replace results of nucleic acid tests because they are not as sensitive, meaning there's a risk of misdiagnosis. So this is my first experience of doing a COVID-19 self-test. I hope you found it informative.